Discrete distributions is a topic that can throw a lot of people off because there's not much content there. So in this question, I have a probability distribution table where we have outcomes of x, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the probabilities of each of those outcomes. Sometimes you might be given coded data in terms of y and be asked to find a probability in terms of y and x, and it's kind of confusing. I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you need to do essentially is substitute this straight into there and create some sort of probability just in terms of x. So if we sub that in, we've got 12 over x minus x, which is less than or equal to 4. Now this probably looks a bit strange at the moment, so I'm going to just multiply everything inside of this by x, and that will give us 12 minus x squared, which is less than or equal to 4. Let's bring everything over to one side, and then we'll just flip this, multiply everything by minus 1 to get rid of that negative. And then you also do have to flip the inequality when you do multiply or divide by a negative number. Right, so all of this has kind of given us a quadratic that we then need to solve. First thing you want to do here is probably factorize this. So you've got x plus 6 and x minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. You can just solve this on your calculator, but if you want to understand what the answer is graphically, I'm just going to sketch out a quick diagram. Here's your quadratic. Your roots to this are minus 6 and 2, and your entire region is above 0 here and here. So for these x values and for these x values. So what this essentially gives us is the probability that x is all the numbers to the left of minus 6 and x is all the numbers to the right of 2. But none of our outcomes are negative, and that means this doesn't have any solutions. For x being greater than or equal to 2, that's 0.35 plus 0.2 plus 0.3, which is 0.85. So just in short, when you get a question that's got y and x, sub in and essentially solve it like an equation, and you should be able to select values for your distribution.